What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So it's Baba Fridays. The last time I looked at Baba was September 6th. Now it is September 13th. So let's see what has changed since then. So Friday was right over here. You see that price closed right at this trend line that I drew off the swing lows. And you can see that Monday opened up right at it, and then price gapped up higher. So it looks like the trend line is holding. This shows signs of strength. Why? Because you see that the bears made this leg down right over here. So the bears made a drop down from the 85.79 all the way towards the 79.71. So that's one large leg by the bears. Price went up and tried to make a similar size leg as in the past. So if the bears cannot make a similar size leg as in the past, that shows signs of weakness because they're not strong enough to bring it back down the same size as they previously did. So it shows me that the sellers are probably drying up, the aggressive sellers, and aggressive buyers are stepping back in the market. So it looks like we can probably see a break above that 85.79 fairly shortly. I know we gapped down a little bit today. It's just minor resistance, but price should be able to push through. Is it guaranteed? No, but it looks likely that price wants to break above this 85.79 level and continue higher up until the high 80s, low 90s. So the trend line is still holding, so that's a bullish sign right there. And it shows signs of weakness by the bears. So that's a very good sign as well for the bulls. And we do have a larger measurement target in play. This is one leg up right here. This is the second leg up. And like I said before, this is at the 93.86 level. So somewhere in the low 90s is probably going to be the target for this trend up as of right now. So it's still doing pretty good. Still hanging in there. Things can change, but as of right now, that's what the chart is telling me. It's showing me that the bears are weak. It shows me that the bulls are strong or stronger than the bears. That's why the price has been going up. And the trend line is holding, price above the EMA. Just looking for a break above the 85.88 level. If it does, we'll probably see a move up quickly or sooner than later towards the high 80s, low 90s, somewhere around here, and maybe even a break up until the mid 90s. So I'm looking at Baba on the daily chart. Still looks pretty bullish. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. You can see that this candle was pretty bullish this week. This big one right over here. Looks like price is trying to work its way back up. It's holding that $80 support level, which is a good sign. And again, there's a trend line off of these two swings. And price is, coming towards that trend line right over here. So that can act as resistance. But it's not guaranteed. Sometimes price might just push through. If it pushes through, then I'll be looking for maybe this double top resistance at the 103. And maybe this triple top resistance, at the 120. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot of room over here on this side of the chart. And it looks like the trend is still moving up higher. So that's all I have for Baba on the daily weekly charts. Make sure you guys check out my Neo video coming out soon as well. That's all I have for Baba this week, Friday. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.